What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be talking about a Clickbank affiliate marketing case study where I'm going to talk about the potential of earning $500 to $3,000. For those of you that are new to this channel, I wanted to say hello to my future subscribers. My name is Marissa Romero, and what you can expect on this channel is all things make money online and how to build an online income, either when starting out from a side hustle to building up to a full-time income. That is what this channel is about, and lately I've been talking a whole lot about affiliate marketing, Clickbank affiliate marketing, sales funnels, email marketing. So if that's your jam, go ahead. I invite you to smash that subscribe button and stay tuned, because right now I am posting daily and I'm giving out that fire content. And I just wanted to direct your attention real quick. I have a free affiliate marketing course available to you guys. It's a free 5-day video series that talks about from A to Z everything you need to know and goes more in depth onto this topic. So go ahead and check out. I think it's the second link in the description. It is limitlesstrafficacademy.com. Go ahead and sign up for that. It's absolutely free, and enjoy. So in this video, what I wanted to talk about was I wanted to gauge interest on do a live case study for you guys where I choose a Clickbank product that is brand new, that I've never promoted before, and how I take it and promote it to potentially earn $500 to $3,000 off this one product. Now, the reason why I want to potentially give this value away to you guys is because I got an email from somebody and they said, hey, you know what would be amazing and phenomenal and people would love it? Why don't you show them step by step, over the shoulder, how you would promote a Clickbank product from scratch and do it full out and give away your traffic strategies and your funnels and all that type of stuff. And I thought, you know what? That is insane. Why would I do that for free? But I started thinking about it more, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do it. And if people can't figure this out after I do it, then I'm sorry, then you just are not working hard enough. Like, there's no excuse. All the value I'm giving away on this channel and all the value that people give away on other channels is massive. And if you guys can't, take the information I'm going to do in this case study and implement it to yourself, then you have to really dig deep and find out what it is you're missing, because I wanted to gauge interest in this video to see who would be interested in me doing that. I'll pick the product from scratch. I will set up the funnel from scratch. I will give away my free traffic sources. I will give away all my strategy. I just need to know if you guys are down for this, if you guys are going to engage, and you're going to promise me you're going to take massive action from this free case study that I'm going to give you. And all I want you to type in the comments. If I get enough comments, if I get at least 20 comments with the word case study within the next week, I will do this case study for you guys. So go ahead, comment below case study to see me do this live, where I take a Clickbank product from scratch, take it from zero to making up to $3,000 in my Clickbank back office. Now, I'll probably start working on that within the next week, and it'll probably take me up to, the next 3 to 4 weeks to get the results for you guys, and then to start presenting. It'll probably have a week on my channel where all it is a live Clickbank affiliate marketing case study where you guys can see step by step exactly what I do and implement it into your business right away. Does that sound good? Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below case study if this is something you guys are down for and you want to see. Nobody else on YouTube is doing this, so in return for doing this case study, all I ask is for a simple subscribe and to maybe share this with your friends, which would help support my channel, which would help support my teachings to you guys and the future of this channel, so I can help out everybody build a online business so they could travel the world, have time, location freedom, whatever it is you want to do. If you are interested in starting an affiliate marketing business from scratch and leveraging the system that I use to make a full-time income online, go ahead and check out the first link in the description and it'll tell you all about it. Okay, guys, so that is pretty much all I have for this video. Go ahead and comment case study in the comments so that I can go ahead and have a reason to get this case study going for you guys, okay? I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.
Okay, bye.